So what's up, my people? It's your boy King here once again with another update. So today's video is about Bloom. This is my first video on it. So actually this particular project is one big project you don't need to miss in all these Telegram bots projects or airdrop or anything you can call it. This is one big project you don't need to miss. So this is my first account. One thing that makes me like this project is that first, it's not all about tapping, constant tapping before you can earn. No, there are some things you need to do before you can earn, which can give you a lot of time to spend in the rest of the things you do for your day. That is one big thing that makes me respect this project, and I'm taking it damn serious. So secondary is that they are not looking for too much population. Look at me, this particular account, I'm only having around I have to invite only 10 friends. So once I got up to 10 friends, that is the maximum I can get, and that I have already gotten it on this account. So but I actually want to create another account for this video and show you guys how to actually start off. For those of you that are going to start up new, I'm trying to use my other phone to create an account. So I'm starting this video showing you guys my main account. This is my main account, and I'm going to use another phone to create another account to show you guys from A to Z how it's being done. So stay tuned. So if you follow the link that I sent to you, it's going to bring you over to this particular place. As in, click on the link, it's going to take you over to Telegram, and you're going to open the bot. So it's going to ask you to create an account. So click on create an account. It's going to use your name automatically to create the account for you. So that is a username in Telegram. If you don't have a username, it might ask you to create a username. So I'm having a username on this particular brand new Telegram account. So it's done, it's loading. It's gonna do this for some seconds and then set up your account for you. So they say harvesting the reward done, blah 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 blah. So let's see the next thing. So they says day one, let's begin. This is a fresh account, and everything I'm going to show you guys is what you are going to be doing every single day once you're done signing up. So they say daily reward have been given to you. So first thing you have to do is to click on start farming. Start farming is going to be giving you something in the next 8 hours. So after 8 hours, you can come back and receive the coin which was given to you, and then you click on start farming again. It's very simple. So the next thing you have to do is to go over to this drop game. Every single day that you log in, they're going to give you some diamond around this drop game, some diamond like this. So how to use it is to click on play, and then clicking on all the diamond. If you click on these eyes, it's going to hold them for some seconds, and you have enough time to click on them. So there is something called bomb might come anywhere around. Just try your best to avoid those bomb. Try your best. This is the bomb, avoid them, because if you click on it like this, it's going to clear everything that you just earned. So try your best to avoid them. So try your best to avoid them, and try your best to hit on the eyes so that it is going to accumulate for you. As you can see, I'm trying my best to avoid the bomb and hit the eyes. So until the countdown is done, anything that you got is going to be sent to your account. So the countdown is almost done. So this is 39. So you can do it for the next 4 diamonds that is left for you. So I'm not going to do it again because of this duration of this video. So this is the first thing you have to do. Try your best every single day. Come back here and click on your drop game. Try your possible best to get up to 10,000 pieces of this coin. It's going to help you very, very well. So the next thing you have to do is to go over to this task and complete all these tasks. It's very simple. Click on join Discord, but you're actually not joining any Discord. Just go back to your account. Once you click on join Discord, Discord is not going to dictate if you join it as well. So just click on claim. Once the claim button is showing green, you have claimed it. Do it on all these things. Just click on start. It's going to take you to the browse, to the social media handle where they want you to join or anything. So just click on it. It's going to take you, then go back. You can go ahead and join them, but me, I'm just doing this video for the sake of it. So this particular one, I'm going to claim it. So you can do it on all these follow Blum on YouTube, follow them on Twitter, this and that. You don't even have to suffer yourself following anybody. So just click on it like you have done it. Click on it and return back and claim the points. So try your best and do it. You can join their Telegram handle for updates. You can also join their Twitter handle for updates. You can do all these things, but if you don't want to do it, no problem, just click on it and end it. So you can easily invite your friends. So I think now they have reduced the amount of friends you can invite from 10 to 5. So that means they're actually trying their best to reduce the amount of people that are going to be present in their project, meaning that this project is very big and they don't want too much population. So this is it. I think I have shown you guys all you need to do. Is very simple. Every single day, go ahead and click on farming. Every 8 hours, click on farming and farm it. Then go over to drop game like this and then play the drop game. Let me play this one once more to show you guys how I'm doing it. I'm using 3 fingers on this thing. Why am I looking out for the bomb, especially bomb, so that I will try my best to avoid the bomb liquidating all the things that I've created. It's just like a normal game that you play with your phone, but this particular game now pays you for playing it. It's very simple and it's very cool to play. It's not going to hang your phone. It's not going to take your space in your phone. All you need to do is just to be active and know what to do in the game. So let's hope that this thing is going to give us a good amount of things when the payout will start, because soon we are going to be asked to connect our wallet to the whole thing. So let me leave it and the countdown is done. So I have gotten enough of it right now.